fortune, but his kitten has slid away. I came out of my egg and I found no family. Left all alone, my feathers fell from me. I had to teach myself to sing. Here's how I taught me. Now I whisper hard into ear of the scared beast. He's my bested friend, but he's yet to answer me. Peter saddles up, he wants to befriend me. His call is large, I'm jealous of his family. It makes me sing. You say he cannot help me. I'll find a new way to help my best friend Scarebeast. Scare, you don't question my comforting. You've no truck with discussion, so my help to you I sing. It's comforting.